It's impossible, they said. We had this idea about 30 years ago. Why should we rely on big energy companies if we could produce our own electricity? Our self-powered generators can power your home, business, or we could even convert your car to be fully electric. No battery banks, no petrol or diesel, and no recharging. Clean, zero emission, and zero carbon footprint. About 90% of the materials we use can be recycled. BiaSan Energy. We make the impossible possible. Visit our website, biasanenergy.com.